Welcome to our guide on setting financial goals. In this video, we will explore how to set goals that will help you achieve financial success. Let's get started. 1. Assess your current financial situation. Take a deep dive into your finances. Evaluate your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand financially. 2. Define your financial goals. Identify both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals may include saving for a vacation or paying off credit card debt. Long-term goals might involve buying a house or planning for retirement. 3. Make your goals SMART. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," make it specific by saying, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years." 4. Prioritize your goals. Determine which goals are most important to you and align with your financial situation. It's essential to focus on one goal at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 5. Create a budget. Develop a budget that allocates your income towards your goals. Identify necessary expenses, such as housing and utilities, and subtract them from your income. With the remaining amount, assign percentages to your various goals. 6. Track your progress. Keep a close eye on your spending by tracking your expenses. This will allow you to stay on track with your budget and make adjustments as needed. 7. Celebrate milestones. As you achieve milestones along the way, celebrate your progress. It's important to acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how big or small. 8. Seek professional advice. If you feel overwhelmed or need guidance, seek help from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique financial situation. 9. Review and adjust regularly. Your financial goals may change over time, so it's essential to review and adapt your plan accordingly. Life circumstances and priorities evolve, and your financial goals should reflect that. Setting financial goals is crucial for a successful financial future. By assessing your current situation, defining SMART goals, prioritizing, budgeting, tracking, celebrating milestones, seeking advice, and reviewing regularly, you will be well on your way to achieving financial success. Thanks for watching this video.